Hello everyone. Welcome back to our SolidWorks Mastery series. In today's video, we are diving into a exciting new chapter, that is sheet metal design. If you have been following along, you know we have covered essential tools and features in basic modeling, and now it's time to expand our skills with sheet metal. In this lecture, we are going to kick off the sheet metal module by learning one of the most fundamental tools, that is the base flange feature. This is the starting point for almost every sheet metal part you create in SolidWorks, and it lays the foundation for more complex shapes and design. Sheet metal design is used across various industries from automotive to aerospace to consumer products. It's essential for creating parts that are lightweight, manufacturable, and cost effective. And the base flange feature allows you to create the initial flat piece part of the material that you will later bend, fold, or shape using other sheet metal tools. Think of it as the black canvas for your sheet metal designs. Let's jump right into it. To create a base flange, head over to the sheet metal tab on the SolidWorks toolbar. You can see that currently the sheet metal toolbar is not active. You can active it by right clicking and going to tabs, and you see here there's a sheet metal and it is currently unchecked. By clicking on sheet metal, the sheet metal tab has been activated, and you can see that there are multiple options here, tools which can be used for the sheet metal. Where the name you will see will have same function, we can say close to same function as in normal solid modeling. Currently the active tabs are base flange, swept, and forming tool. We will go through each tool one by one, but in this lecture we will cover base flange tab. So to start, first you will select a plane to start sketching on, or just like you would in a standard part modeling. Now let's create a basic sketch. I have clicked top plane, clicked on sketch. Now I am going to draw a rectangle for this demonstration. After completing your sketch, you simply exit the sketch and a base flash tool will activate automatically, allow you to specify the thickness of the sheet metal. There are two ways to do so. First is that, and second is you can just create the rectangle. Let's say this is the rectangle, and by exiting the sketch and you click on base flange, you see now you can enter the thickness. Let's say I want the sheet thickness to be 0.4 mm. Then make sure that the K factor is always 0.5. If you have a bend allowance table, etc., you can also click on bend table and you can browse and simply write attach the band table here. But usually we don't have that, so I just select the K factor, and zero point 0.5 default is usually used. You can also use the ghost table, and for the ghost table you must share the table with the SolidWorks, since you know there are multiple ways to do so. So currently the default tables which are in the SolidWorks environment is here, has been attached here. So it's a very complex and very used in complex geometries. So we will not be using the ghost table. Ghost table basically is the thickness weight which is where used in the metal parts. So currently just the hair K factor again 0.5 and the thickness of let's say 0.5 mm, and by clicking on check you see base flange has been created, and you see here base flange sheet metal now here is being shown. But let's say if I don't do that, I will just exit, and the current sketch is design here. I click on extrude boss space rather than the base flange, and I give thickness here of 2 mm. Now we have this sheet here. Now, but if I go to sheet metal, I click on convert to sheet metal here. You see, and it is asking for the parameter. Let's say I select this, and I give the thickness of here like 0.5 from 5 mm to 0.5, and I click on check. You see here now the sheet thickness automatically has been converted to 0.5 mm. So that's how we can use the base flange tool here. It is a very basic and essential tool for any part designing in the sheet metal. So that's all for today lecture, and in this lecture, in the next lecture we will study the edge flange. Thank you. for watching this video.